Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Another busy day, so let's get to it. Not much economic news to discuss, so we're going to go over our trades. We had 6 of them. End result pulled out 2.0 pips on a size adjusted. We did have we did have 4 trades that were full size and 2 that were scaled down. One was 20%, one was 30%. So let's go over them here. First one you're looking at is Australian dollar Japanese yen. We were short this 93.204. It was just a scalp trade, full size, picked up a quick 5.1 pips, came in nicely. You can see what it did there eventually, but it's a scalp trade, so you're not going to hold it for the whole ride down. Maybe got out a little early. I mean, we got out ahead of the figure. Probably should have held out a little bit longer to see if it would approach the figure. We got out, 93.15. You have the support here at the figure. That was the clear place to get out. But again, it's a full scalp trade, so you're not going to get too greedy with it. Australian dollar, US dollar, we had 2 trades here. Both were full scalp trades. It was a short 0.76894. Came in right off the bat, picked up a quick 4.5 pips. You can see what it did there. I mean, it just kept coming in, went right to the half figure. I guess you could say the same thing, see if it comes down to the half figure, but you're looking at this support area, which, we were shorting it right near there, so it wasn't so sure about it. Staring at 4 or 5 pips right in the face, so you just take it and move on. Next trade was a long this morning. This was last night, by the way. This one here this morning, 0.76492. We were long this. Same type of scenario, it's popping for you right off the bat. You're up 8, 9, 10 pips. So we take the profits up 8.8, and you can see what it did. It popped in a matter of an hour. It ran all the way up to 76.80. But we'll take it. This was the trade that really pinched us. Algorithm was looking for a breakout here. Obviously, it proved to be a false breakout. We were long 1.36833. We had about 30% of our normal size, so we were risking right around that 90 pips. So we lost 93.3 pips, size adjusted 28 pips, which is in the range of our acceptable losses. It just was a false breakout. You get those sometimes. Nothing you can do about it. I mean, what we could have done was use this as an out, or this low here as an out, and if we use these lows back here from March 6th as an out, you're saving 25, 30 pips or so, which on a size adjusted basis, you're talking 9 pips. Hey, every pip is valuable, right? US dollar, Japanese yen. This was another swing trade we had 20% of. We had this order in for about a day or so. We got filled 120.983. We actually bought about 10% of it around 120.104, and then we grabbed another 10% down to like 120.90, 94ish, 95ish near the bottom there, to grab 20% at 120.983. And you can see it popped, it bounced for us really quick. Took it out this morning, grabbing 31.2 pips. Adjusted for size, that's 6.2 pips. We still think it's running higher. We were also bidding down here around the 60s, which we've canceled. We may enter this again. We're going to do further analysis this afternoon, see what the algorithm is telling us as well. And then euro to US dollar, this was a full out scalp, long 1.07330. Popped for us real quick, grabbed 5.5 pips. It's in a downtrend on a daily, on a weekly, on a you look at anything, it's on a downtrend. So you get the signal to go long. You kind of hold your breath or just kind of scalp it real quick. So we grabbed the 5.5. Yes, it ran all the way up. Ran all the way up to 90, 107.90. We were out 107.38. And you say, wow, you left a lot on the table. But again, when the overall trend on this thing is down, it's headed to parity with the dollar, obviously. It's been doing it now for months on end. And if you're going to trade it for a scalp from the long side, look to make it quick. 3, 4, 5, 6 pips, whatever it'll give you real quick. Don't risk a whole lot because the overall trend is down. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Like I said, 6 trades, 2.0 pips. Kind of running the treadmill here yesterday and today, not so great. So we're going to wrap it up. If any signals come out that were coming your way, if you're still trading now, good luck. And we'll be back tomorrow assuming we get some action.